Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will show you how to turn off WhatsApp notifications and disable media from auto download. Please like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Click on any contact or group for which you want to mute the notifications. Click on the contact or group name on top to go into info screen. Here you will find the option Mute Notifications. Click on Mute Notification option. Here you can set the time to mute notifications for. You can select 8 hours, 1 week or always. I am selecting always and click OK. You can turn on the notifications by disable this option. To disable the auto download of media images and videos, click on Media Visibility option. Default option Yes is selected automatically for all. Select No and click OK. Now media file will not automatically download until you click on it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, thought or feedback, please share them in the comments section.